Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
Hey guys, I know. I am so behind on my update. So this one's covering the last 2 weeks instead of just one. I had to add things to my schedule, you guys, so I can keep buying my Zepbound cash out of pocket. You know, it's not easy coming up with an extra $499 every month. That's why I don't talk to you guys as much as I'd like to. I'm trying to keep everything above water. I do have some good news though. I am down 80.2 pounds as of this morning. 80 pounds, guys. Can you believe it? Super happy. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shanda, and I'm so glad you're here. I started this journey back in February of this year, weighing in at 270.2 pounds. As of this morning, I'm sitting at 190 pounds, guys. I must say, after reflecting on my whole journey, this has been one of the most rewarding things I've ever done, physically, mentally, and emotionally. I'm really proud of myself. I'm so proud of the dedication and the commitment that I've shown. I didn't think I could do it, you guys, to be completely honest with you. But I'm so glad that I did. And now it has allowed me to adopt a new pattern where I feel like it's actually sustainable and it feels good. I hardly ever think about all of those bad habits that I once indulged in and enjoyed so much. I'm really okay not having all of that stuff. I don't even think about it anymore. I did have, something I gotta share with you guys. I did have a small teacup or half full of wine this week. And you know what? I didn't even finish it. I didn't enjoy it anymore the way that I used to. In the past, I would down a bottle of wine on a Friday night easily, without hesitation, along with some other stuff. But I didn't even enjoy the few sips that I had. It's really amazing to me how much my whole system has changed. So it's unbelievable to me personally. It's unbelievable. I didn't think I had it in me. I really didn't. But now for the not so pleasant stuff. This damn phlegm situation, you guys, is really getting on my nerves. It's really so annoying. It's the only thing that just won't go away. It's stubborn and it won't leave me alone. So I went down a little research rabbit hole the other day. And here's what I found. I found that GLP-1 medications can stimulate the vagus nerve. And that stimulation can cause something called vasomotor rhinitis. Basically, cold-like symptoms such as runny nose, nasal congestion, or post-nasal drip. So in addition to the slower digestion mucus, you might also be getting that extra drip from the vagus nerve activity, which completely makes sense now. Do you guys remember many videos ago I talked about how every time I eat something, my nose runs almost immediately and lasts for about 30 minutes or so, and then it goes away? Well, that has never stopped, but now it's coupled with the mucus issue. So I'm assuming after this long period of nasal drip, my body started to create mucus for protection. Fun times, right? It's disgusting. And it always comes out when I'm talking to somebody trying to be cute. Terrible. Some people say it gets worse. See? Ugh. That's what I'm talking about. Some people say it gets worse with the eating of dairy and stuff like that because I'm heavy on the dairy products. So it could be my situation or contributing to my situation. They also say sipping warm lemon water or ginger tea helps to thin out the mucus and keep things moving, but I haven't noticed a difference yet. It's not helping me just yet, but I'm going to continue because anything that I can do to cut this would be great. Aside from that, guys, I'm feeling great. My energy is steady. My appetite suppression is through the roof. And I'm continuing to focus on getting, of course, my enough protein, water, nutrients. I've started my multivitamin daily now instead of just sporadic. I'm also doing a bone health vitamin regimen because, as you guys know, I do have osteoporosis. So I'm working that too. One thing though, it's like this is like random, but one thing that's weird is that I've never liked bananas. I mean, I could put banana in a smoothie or something like that, of course, or in a dessert or something, but I've never really liked just a straight banana. But recently, I have grown an affinity for them. So it's like so weird. Who knew? So I don't know where that came from. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm reminding myself, guys, to slow down and appreciate this progress that I've made and focus on my next long-term goal, which is 100 pounds. So as of today, guys, 80 pounds down. I'm so super proud of myself. So grateful for this opportunity. And guys, I'm still learning and still figuring out how to keep this journey balanced. So if any of you out there are dealing with this same phlegm post-nasal drip issue, drop a comment, please, and let me know what's helped you. We're figuring this out together, one weird symptom at a time, So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Baby
And I'll
girl,
see
you
you
are
guys
so
later.
pretty, pretty, pretty.